How to hide all Facebook posts at once. So to start, we'll have to open our Facebook account, and then in here we'll have to tap on these three lines. After that, you will see this settings icon, tap on this one, and then under settings and privacy, we'll have to scroll down until we see this option, your activity. Under that, tap on this activity log option, and then in here we'll have to tap on the X mark beside the public post. After that, it will show you all the public posts that you have on your account. If you want to hide all your posts, simply tap on the all option. After that, go on the bottom part of the screen and then tap on these three dots. After that, a pop-up menu will appear. Tap on the change audience option, and then in here we'll have to tap again on the change audience option, and then after that, in here we'll have to change the settings of our privacy from public to only me. By doing that, all our posts will be hidden from public. So that's how easy we can hide all our public posts on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.